Here's how you use Photoshop masks to edit non-destructively so you can create this cool kind of game logo. So what I've got here is I've got the background, which is the gross back bloody biological background. And then here I've got the dirtiness that I added in the mask, as well as the biohazard symbol as a mask. And then up here, I've got the BioSiege logo there. So how does this all work? Well, notice this guy right here is what's called a smart object. And what that means is it's like a little document inside this layer. So to edit that directly, what I can do is I can go here and I can go to layer, smart objects, and I can go to edit contents. What that does is it opens it up in a separate Photoshop document. And then what I can do is I can edit this like crazy. So what I'll do is I'll take the eraser, and I've chosen this really cool texture and made it really big. And now when I click on here, it will take out some of this, make it look kind of random. There you go. Now to have that reflected back in the original document, you go File, Save. And then whatever you changed here is reflected right here. So there we go. So it's good to keep this as a smart object. Now what I did to create this mask was I just brought in a black and white Bioshock symbol. I selected it, and then I clicked on this guy, which is Add Vector Mask. And what that does is everything that's black kind of cuts out of this guy right here. You can turn on and off the mask by holding the Shift key and clicking on it. And that'll kind of hide it like that. So you can see the difference there. So, right. Actually, that looks pretty cool too. All right. Up here is just some text that I created using the text tool on a layer. I did the same thing. I selected it as a mask. And then I went over the mask with this eraser tool, so that if I hide the mask, you can see it's still black letters. The mask makes it look all dirty. So that's how you put it all together. And the neat thing about it is, if I want to change anything, I can, because I haven't really made any permanent changes at all.